Hello, everyone. Today I'm back for another video. I will be showing you guys how to create Thanksgiving and Christmas t-shirts designs. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to Bing.com. I have it up. And if you don't have an account, what you can do is create one and then log in. I do have a video to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead because I just created some prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the prompt. And I will leave these in the comments for you guys so you don't have to worry about trying to copy it off the screen and paste it. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this and I'm going to hit create. And you just wait for it to create. And you can use these as t-shirt designs. You can use it as a tumbler design. You can use it with just about anything. You can sell it as clip art. You could do anything you want to do with it. So this is the image that I got, one of the images. And you want to go ahead and save it. So if this is your first time watching my channel, I'm going to include a video where I showed you how to set up Bing, how to set up your collections. I'll include that video so you guys can go back and refer to that video. I won't be doing it today, but I did create a video called Thanksgiving/Christmas theme. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. I'm going to go ahead and save this one. This is cute. These are really cute, guys. This one. Yeah, you could do a lot with AI images. You can do a lot. You can change that into like a digital print and sell it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab some more prompts that I created. And I always do like an airbrush illustration because I like how my pictures turn out. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And you can use whatever prompt style you like. I just like the airbrush illustration because I like the way my pictures come out. All right. So let's see. Of A. All right, and let's generate and see what we get. That's cute as well. So as I said, guys, I have prompts mixed with Thanksgiving and Christmas just to give something different. You won't see a lot of people doing this, but yes, just to give something different. I want my art to be different. I do sell on different platforms. I do make t-shirts. I do a lot. So I want my art to look different so people can purchase it. Okay, so that is cute. And as I said, guys, I will leave the prompts in the comments so you guys don't have to worry about trying to copy it from the screen. Paste, and I'm going to do an airbrush illustration of A. All right. So let's see what else we get. Oh, that is cute as well. That is adorable, guys. Look at that. Okay. That is cute. Like I said, you could do a lot with this. This is very cute. And you see when you use airbrush illustration as your art style, you see how vibrant and how like it's realistic, but it's still it's not cartoonish. So I do like this style. Like I said, you could put this on anything. You could go to the dollar store and you'll see this on a table mat. Like you could put this on like your towels for Christmas, you know, the ones you put on your stove. Like it's a lot of stuff that you can do with that. So it is a lot that you can do with this. Okay, so let's do a couple more. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it. And I'm going to go and airbrush illustration of A. And after this, I'll do one more. And as I said, I will drop all these prompts in the comments so that way you don't have to try to hurry up and get it off my screen. All right. So this is a Christmas prompt. And got, look, Christmas and Thanksgiving. You can put this on a Christmas card. Like I said, it's so much you can do with this. This is digital. You could turn it into a digital print. It is a lot that you can do with this. I don't know what's up with my Bing doing this. It's been doing that for the past couple days. Okay, so let's go ahead and create one more. Paste and airbrush illustration of A. Okay. And let's create. And that is cute. As I said, you can use this as, that is cute. You can use this like as a Christmas card decoration. You can also use it as like create it as a digital print. That's cute. You could use it as a tumbler wrap. It's a lot, guys, you can do with this. Okay, and that's going to conclude this video. Now, guys, if you enjoyed those prompts and if you've been watching and you're subscribed to my channel and you enjoy the art and the prompts that I show you on the regular, then go ahead and subscribe to my Facebook group. Now, I do have 2 AI Facebook groups. One is free and one is paid. I'll go ahead and show you the free group. I give you prompts daily. I show you tricks and tips on how to generate and how to enhance your art that you create with AI. I do 2 lives a month. Okay. So this is like all the prompts in my Facebook group. This is my free group. You come in, you introduce yourself. I give you freebies. You get free prompt guides, free journal guides, whatever. You get freebies in here. You get one freebie a month in my free group. So, guys, if this is something you're interested in, head over to my free Facebook group. It's called Too Sweet Innovation, AI Art, and Digital Crafting. Make sure you answer all the questions so you're approved, all right? So now for my paid group, if you are interested in learning how to create clip art, how to create journals, planners, how to create prompt guides, digital prints, PLR products that you can resell, everything Canva, and also opening up your own e-commerce platform. If you want to learn prompt guide, it's a lot that I teach you guys in that group. And let me go ahead and pull this up. Now, guys, as I said, this is a paid group. This is paid. So right now, it's a one-time entry fee of $75, but I do have a special where you get in for $50. It's a one-time entry fee of $50, and it's $27 a month. Okay. So in this group, as I said, I teach you all those things. You learn how to create AI art. You also learn how to enhance your creations. You learn how to create clip art, how to package and sell it, how to create digital prints, how to create prompt guides, journals, planners, templates, how to create prompts, how to create flyers, digital stickers, mock-ups, Canva. You learn Canva. I show you how to open up your own Etsy store, how to open up your own e-commerce platform. You also get 3 lives. I give you 3 lives by Zoom, and then it's also 2 pop-up lives by Zoom. You will learn how to use 4 AI image generators. 2 are free, 2 are paid. You will get free entry to paid classes. So anytime I do paid classes, you get free entry to those classes. As you see, you get daily prompts as well. This is a PLR product. You don't have to rebrand this. You can just sell it. All right. So guys, it's a lot in here. I teach you how to do Tumblr wraps, everything. How to do mock-ups for like an event planner. How to just create art in general. So this is some of the stuff. Here's some mock-ups that you can sell to somebody who sell t-shirts and just need some images. I have prompts and stuff for that as well. Yes, I do teach a lot in this AI mentor group. Okay, so let me go back up. And tonight is our first event. Tonight is our first event. Here it is. I'll go ahead and pull it up. And it's a Kickstart Your Creative Christmas orientation and meet and greet. It's tonight at 6 p.m. Central Time. So, guys, if this is something that you're interested in, like I said, this is a paid group. So you do have to pay the one-time entry fee of $50 in order to get in the group. And it's also $27 a month, but you don't worry about that until next month. But guys, if this is something that you're interested in and you want to get in for the orientation tonight, and tonight we will be creating the digital prints. I'll be showing you guys how to create these in Canva and using AI art. So these are Tumblr wraps. So this is my class for tonight. So guys, if you're interested, I will go ahead and drop the link in the comments. And that way you guys can sign up and hopefully you can get in before orientation tonight. All right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.